around little roads, the odd glimpse of the sea.
Been on the go now pretty much 7 hours. Could have flown to New York in that time. But no, here, drizzle, cold, frightened. And all I have to look forward to is camping with a lunatic and a retard.
But then...
Oh no, I've got a warning light. Guys, I've got a warning light on the dashboard. It says stop.
As you'd expect, the happy campers chose to ignore my distress signal.
Oh yeah, that looks a suitable holiday destination. I think so.
Holy moly! What manner of terrible thing has happened under my bonnet? It's actually had diarrhea, is what's happened here.
At the campsite, I settled down to watch Hammond's creation take shape.
Yeah, oh yeah. Ow! Brave.
Do you want some help?
Nope. Don't need it, mate. One-man job, this.
Having got the block of flats going again, Jeremy eventually joined us.
This is gripping.
Ah!
What are you doing? It's
Finishing
unclear.
touches.
In Hammond's head, his build was coming along nicely. But it wasn't.
No.
And an hour later, Jeremy and I were bored.
Is there a pub?
There was, so we went to it, leaving Hammond to carry on building.